Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Daily English Dose. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel nervous when you meet a stranger? Do you sometimes want to talk, but you don't know what to say? Or maybe you start a sentence, but then you run out of words? If this sounds like you, don't worry. You are not alone. Speaking to strangers in English can feel scary at first, but today I'm going to make it simple and easy for you. In this lesson, we are going to practice 80 natural English sentences that you can use to start a conversation with strangers, anywhere, anytime. At a cafe, in a park, at an event, at work, or even while traveling. Here's how it will work. I will say each sentence one time so you can listen carefully. Then I will say it again, and I want you to repeat after me. Don't be shy. Say it out loud, just like you are talking to a real person. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident, more ready, and you'll have real sentences that you can use the next time you meet someone new. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin practicing together. Hi, how are you today? Hi, how are you today? Hello, nice to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you. Excuse me, do you have a moment? Excuse me, do you have a moment? Sorry, is this seat taken? Sorry, is this seat taken? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Where are you from? Where are you from? Are you new here? Are you new here? I don't think we've met before. I don't think we've met before. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Alia. My name is Alia. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? It's a beautiful day, isn't it? The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. Do you come here often? Do you come here often? I like this place. Do you? I like this place. Do you? Are you enjoying yourself? Are you enjoying yourself? Have you been here before? Have you been here before? Do you live around here? Do you live around here? That's a nice shirt. Where did you get it? That's a nice shirt. Where did you get it? I like your smile. I like your smile. You look familiar. You look familiar. Excuse me. Could you help me? Excuse me, could you help me? Can you tell me the time, please? Can you tell me the time, please? Do you know where this street is? Do you know where this street is? I'm a bit lost. Can you guide me? I'm a bit lost. Can you guide me? Do you work around here? Do you work around here? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? That's interesting. Tell me more. That's interesting. Tell me more. Are you studying or working? Are you studying or working? How long have you been living here? How long have you been living here? Do you like it here? Do you like it here? What brings you here today? What brings you here today? Are you waiting for someone? Are you waiting for someone? Do you like coffee or tea? Do you like coffee or tea? This place makes really good coffee. This place makes really good coffee. Do you usually come alone or with friends? Do you usually come alone or with friends? Do you enjoy traveling? Do you enjoy traveling? What's your favorite place to visit? What's your favorite place to visit? Do you like movies? Do you like movies? Have you seen any good movies recently? Have you seen any good movies recently? What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? Which team do you support? Which team do you support? Do you like reading books? Do you like reading books? What book are you reading now? What book are you reading now? Do you use social media a lot? Do you use social media a lot? Are you on Instagram or Facebook? Are you on Instagram or Facebook? Do you enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy cooking? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Have you tried local food here? Have you tried local food here? Do you like meeting new people? Do you like meeting new people? Do you come here every day? Do you come here every day? Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? What brings you to this event? What brings you to this event? Are you enjoying the food? Are you enjoying the food? Have you met many people here? Have you met many people here? Do you work nearby? Do you work nearby? How was your day today? How was your day today? Are you from around this area? Are you from around this area? How long have you been in this city? How long have you been in this city? Do you like living here? Do you like living here? What's your favorite restaurant here? What's your favorite restaurant here? Do you like trying new foods? Do you like trying new foods? Have you traveled anywhere recently? Have you traveled anywhere recently? What's your dream travel destination? What's your dream travel destination? Do you enjoy meeting new people? Do you enjoy meeting new people? Are you here with friends? Are you here with friends? Do you like shopping? Do you like shopping? Where do you usually shop? Where do you usually shop? Do you like outdoor activities? Do you like outdoor activities? Do you prefer the beach or the mountains? Do you prefer the beach or the mountains? What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends? Do you like pets? Do you like pets? Do you have a pet at home? Do you have a pet at home? Are you into fitness? Are you into fitness? Do you like going to the gym? Do you like going to the gym? Do you prefer mornings or evenings? Do you prefer mornings or evenings? What's your favorite season of the year? What's your favorite season of the year? Do you like watching sports? Do you like watching sports? Do you enjoy art or museums? Do you enjoy art or museums? Do you like attending concerts? Do you like attending concerts? Well done, my friend. You just practiced 80 useful English sentences to start conversations with strangers. Think about it. You now have 80 different ways to say hello, ask a question, or open up a friendly chat. The more you practice, the easier it gets. So watch this video again. Repeat the sentences out loud and make them a part of your daily speaking habit. Next time you meet someone new, try using even just one or two of these sentences. You'll be surprised how much more confident you feel. Thank you for practicing with me today. This was Daily English Dose, and I can't wait to see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep shining. Bye for now.